Possession na pupunta sa Santa Hoopers. Flores using the glass. Long good na rin ni Burgos. Pass to jersey number 76. Ledama, first personal foul, first team foul. Victoriano, dribbling the ball. Victoriano, on the shot for three. Victoriano, three. At exhale yan. Ng Pops Barbershop, North Caloocan. Atlete, pass to Flores. Pass to Ken. 15 to shoot using the glass. No good na rin ni Urbano. Pass to jersey number 11, Burgos. Pass to Victoriano. 15 to shoot. Burgos. Using the glass. No good na rin ni Ledama. Pass to Cañete. Pass to Flores. 15 to shoot. Pass to Ledama. 10 to shoot. Pass to Ngiasi. No good. Nariman ni Ken. Use the glass. Easy 2 points. Urbano on the ball. Pass to Victoriano. Pass to Gasingan. 15 to shoot. Pass to Burgos. Pass to Urbano. Nice to Flores. Pass break para kay Ledama. Lalun. Disturbo siya para kay Ledama. Gasingan on the ball. Pass to Escobedo. Pasa. Villaruela. Escobedo. Disturbo siya para Escobedo. Flores on the ball. Pass to Cañete. Binalik kay Flores. Pass to Cañete. Pass to Ngiasi. Pass to Ken. Tagal niya. Hariboni. Escobedo. Pass to Gasingan. Open time for 3. No good. Putang para kay Victoriano. Easy 2 points. Ken inbound the ball. Pass to Cañete. Pass to Ngiasi. Pass to Flores. 10 to shoot Flores. Open time for 3. No good. Naribani. Flores pa rin. Flores. Susubok ulit sa 3. Flores! 3. At ang senya ng Blue Entertainment. Burgos Emmanuel. Pass to Urbano. Pass to Victoriano. Dribbling the ball. Victoriano pass to Burgos. 15 to shoot. Burgos. Open time for 3. No good. Naribani ni Cañete. Na pinto para sa Santa Hoopers. Cañete. Nalis mo na ni Victoriano. 3-on-3 situation. Victoriano pass to Gasingan. Sa 3. No good. Naribani. Burgos. Up. Is 2 points para kay Burgos. Flores pass to Ken. Is 2 points para kay Ken. Urbano on the ball. Pass to Victoriano. 15 to shoot. Victoriano. Pass to Escobedo. 10 to shoot. Tatapa. Ladema. Pass to Cañete. All alone. Is 2 points para kay Cañete. Chase labor na po tayo. 11-9. 2-point lead para sa Santa Hoopers. Escobedo open time for 3. Is 2 points lang. Long 2. Flores. Pass to Cañete. Pass to Ken. Is 2 points para kay Ken. At alam mo pass to Victoriano. Pass to Escobedo. Sa 3. No good. Naribani. Ken. Pass to Ledama. Pull-up jumper. No good. Naribani. Escobedo. Pass to Victoriano. Is 2 points para kay Victoriano.
Officials forward, all 13.
Flores, pass to Ledama. Pass to Ngiasi. 15 to shoot. Ngiasi is the glass. Easy 2 points. Urbano, ball pass to Victoriano. Pass to Escobedo, pass to Urbano, 15 to shoot, Urbano nice to Flores, pass break para kay Cañete, Dawood, Naribani Ledama, is the glass, easy 2 points. Victoriano, ball pass to Gasingan, pulang jumper, Dawood, Naribani Ken. Pass to Flores nagmamadali, Flores, looking for his teammate, pass to Cañete, pass to Flores, pass to Ledama, open par for 3, no good, Naribani, Giasi, Urbano, first personal foul, first team foul. First shot is not good. Second shot. Pasok yan. Timeout, Villaruela. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 9 seconds. Score natin 18-13, 5 points lead para sa Sante Hoopers. Okay, back to the ball game na tayo. Victoriano, ball pass to Hill, binalik kay Victoriano. Pass to Gasingan, okay sa 3, Gasingan. No good, nalaro ni Ken. Pass to Yuban, pass to Flores, open par for 3, no good, Nervoni, Ledama, looking for his teammate, there to shoot, pass to Ken, drive, taman, put back para kay Ken ulit, Urbano, ball pass to Victoriano, pass to Gasingan, easy 2 points, Ken, ball pass to Yuban, looking for his teammate, Yuban, pass Ledama, 15 to shoot, Ledama, tama dyan, Naribani, save ball, 14 seconds to shoot, Ledama, pass to Ken, bali-bali, is the glass, is 2 points para kay Ken. Victoriano nagmamadali, 2 points situation, Victoriano, wala po lang kanya pa rin. Pass to Gasingan, open par for 3, no good, Naribani, Flores, 2 points situation, Flores, subject, jersey number 28, Hill, first personal foul, second team foul, Yuban, pass to Flores, pass to Engiasi, is 2 points. Victoriano, pass to Hill, pass to Augire, sa 3, no good, Naribani, Ledama, pass to Yuban, ang dito mo para sa Sante Hoopers. Yuban, pass to Engiasi, 15 to shoot, pass to Ken, dumuko, tama, Naribani, Victoriano, 2 on 3 station, Victoriano, use the glass, no good, put back, Jezebel, pass to Gasingan, 15 foot line, no good pa rin, Naribani, Gasingan, pa rin, Naribani, nadama. Pass to Indiasi. Pass to Yubal. Pass to Flores, inside move. Flores, pass to Indiasi. Flores, si Jupos, para kay Indiasi. Kasi yung control, pass to Victoriano. 300 situation, Victoriano. Yubal. First personal foul, second big foul, labas. Victoriano got the ball. Pass to Hill. Pass to Gasian. Pass to Jezabel. Ulang jumper, no good, Naribani Jesse. Pass to Flores. 1 minute and 15 seconds para sa ating first quarter. Flores at tres. Flores! 3 at Israelia ng UD Bambar. Victoriano. Offensive foul. Victoriano, first personal foul, 13 foul. 50 seconds, Flores, pass to Yubal. Pass to Bagares, susubok sa tres. No good, Naribani Jezabel. Pass to Hill. 2-3 situation, Hill. Pass to Casina, open 5 for 3. No Victoria, Naribani. Flores. Victoriano, second personal foul, 1 for penalty. Yubal, pass to Flores, 15-foot line jumper, no good, Naribani Hill, 20 seconds, sa takasok, Victoriano, gets the pass, and may nasama pang foul. First personal foul, 13 foul. Last 15 seconds na lang para sa ating first quarter. Bonus shot para kay Victoriano. No good. Naribani Jesse. 10 seconds. Flores, pass to Bagares. Pass to Yubal. 50-foot line. Gusto ko para kay Yubal. Wala na ang oras. End of the first quarter. Score natin, 31-17. 40-point lead para sa Sunday Hoopers. Okay, tutungo tayo sa ating second quarter.
Kasi maximum doon. I-cash nyo na lang. Pwede naman yun.
Hill, pass to Sebron, pass to Hill sa tres. No good, Naribani Paulo, Bautista, pass to Bagares. Yubal, pass to Multiplor, 15 to shoot. Yubal, pass to Bagares. 10 to shoot, pass to Paulo. Pass to Bagares, Isipupos para kay Bagares. Urbanit on-ball pass to Asebron, moving the ball. Pass to Jezabel. Pass to Escobedo, inside move. Pass to Jezabel, Naribani Paulo. Possession para sa Sunday Hoopers. Paulo in one ball. Pass to Yubal, ang ball. Pass to Bagares, susubok sa tres. No good, Naribani Urbano. Pass to Asebron. Pass to Hill. Pass to Escobedo sa tres. Doble pa rin, Naribani Jezabel. 10 to shoot, pass to Asebron. 5 to shoot, Asebron. Pass to Hill sa tres. Hill, 3. At Insenia ng Pandayong Coffee. Yubal, you pick the ball. Pass to Bagares. Pass to Yubal. Pass to Banang, fade away shot, no good, everybody. Paulo, first personal foul, first team foul. Sebron, about the ball pass to Escobedo. Escobedo pinalik kay Sebron. Sebron, pass to Urbano, looking for his teammate, pass to Escobedo. 15 to shoot, Escobedo, pass to 10 to shoot, Sebron, easy the glass, easy 2 points para kay Sebron. Warning for delaying the game. Jersey number 98, Urbano. Yumal, using the glass, no good na rin Urbano. Urbano, pass break para kay Jezabel. Wala kanya pa rin, Jezabel. Pass to Escobedo. 15 to shoot, pass to Sebron, pass to Hill. Pass to Jezabel, sa gitna. East to points para kay Jezabel. Yumal, pass to Montiplor. Binalik kay Yumal. Pass to Bagares, crossover, Bagares. Timeout, Sunday Hoopers. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 33 seconds. Score natin, 33-24, 9-point lead para sa Sunday Hoopers. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Inbound the ball, pass to Escobedo, pass to Jezabel, 15-foot line jumper, no good na rin. Panahag, napanggalit. Sebron, first personal foul, first team foul. Paulo inbound the ball, pass to Yumal, pass to Banang, pass to Montiplor sa tres, Montiplor! 3 at isenya ng Minigo. Sebron. Yumal, second personal foul, second team foul. Hill inbound the ball, pass to Urbano, pass to Escobedo. Traveling violation. Possession para sa Sunday Hoopers. Foul inbound the ball, pass to Yumal, nandito mo para sa Sunday Hoopers. Yumal, pass to Montiplor. 15 to shoot, Montiplor. Yumal, pass to Bagares. Pass to Yumal. 5 to shoot, Yumal. Loose ball. Sabrip. Escobedo inbound the ball. Pass to Sebron, nandito mo. Sebron, pass to Urbano, 15-foot line jumper, airball, lalabalik Sebron, pass to Urbano. Bagares, first personal foul, 13 foul. Kaso yung mga teams, lahat po ng sasapat na timeout. Lahat lang po dito sa comedy table. Huwag po tayo mag-advance, hindi po namin kayo makikita. Salamat po. Airwell, first shot. Second shot. Longwood, nalibali mo tuklo. Pass to Yumal. 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 Pass to Multiplor. Multiplor, pass to Manang. 50-foot line jumper. Longwood, nalibali. Victoriano, nice stealing. Victoriano pa rin. Pass to Manang. Stop down. Yumal, ball. Pass to Bagares. Masaya na ang manonood. Yumal, 15 to shoot. Pass to Multiplor. Multiplor. And to shoot. Multiplor. Open for 3. Multiplor. 3. At insenya ng King of Academy. Victoriano. Pass to Hill. Pass to Burgos. Pupensa na. Burgos is the last. Nung pa rin natin yung Bagares. Pass to Yumal. Ano nga si guys yung kay Victoriano. Pass to Bagares. Pass to Multiplor. At binalik yung Bagares. Pass to Indiasi. No good. Sablip. Same ball. 9 seconds to shoot. Manag on the ball. Manag. Pass to Bagares. Long 3 Bagares. Long na rin ni Escobedo. Pass play Karakay. Victoriano. Wow. Bagares. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. 2 shots para kay Victoriano. First shot is good. Second shot para kay Victoriano. Pasok yan, 2-2 para kay Victoriano. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Score natin, 39-28, 11 point lead. Para sa Sunday Hoopers, Cañete. Pass to Bagares. Pass to Cañete. Cañete. Traveling violation, same foot. Burgos Ipador, pass to Victoriano. Pass to Escobedo, pass to Victoriano. Pass to Burgos, pass. 15 to shoot up. No good. Cañete. Pass play para kay Multiplor. Great discussion. Is 2 points para kay Bagares. Gasingan ang Digimon para sa Villaruela. Gasingan. Pedro shot. Is 2 points para kay Gasingan. Bagares sa ball. Pass to Cañete. Floater. Cañete. Indiasi. Pass to Multiplor. 10 to shoot. Multiplor. Step back. Is 2 points para kay Multiplor. Escobedo. 15-foot line jumper. No good. Indiasi. Pass to Bagares. Pass to Cañete. Pass to Multiplor. Pass to Banag. Pass to Cañete. Loose ball na kuha rin Gasingan. 2-2 situation. Gasingan. Wala bola. Kanya pa rin. Gasingan. Pass to Victoriano. Pass to Gasingan. Lock to Gasingan. No good. Everybody. Cañete. 1 minute 40 seconds. Bagares. Pass to Cañete. Is 2 points para kay Cañete. Ormane Manuel, pass to Gasingan. Pass to Burgos. Pass to Victoriano. 15 to shoot, Victoriano. Pass to Gasingan. Gasingan. 10 to shoot, pass to Escobedo. Pass to Victoriano. Susubok sa 3. No good na naman ni Cañete. Magtuplot pala. Pass to Cañete. Pass to Indiasa na Escobedo. Burgos. Burgos. Pass to Escobedo. Escobedo. Tumit na ball. 1 minute exactly. Escobedo. Escobedo. Pass to Urbano. Pass to Burgos. Burgos sa 3. Burgos! 3 at the center ng Les and Lifestyle. Cañete mo naman pass to Manaag. Manaag dribbling the ball. Looking for his teammate. 30 seconds. 40 seconds. Pass to Montuplo. Pass to Indiasi. 10 to shoot. Pass to Magares. Pass to Cañete sa side. No good. Ang ball Indiasi. 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 Pump. Indiasi. Indiasi. Urbano, second personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots para kay Indiasi. First shot is good. Second shot. Not good. Ano ba ni Urbano? 1 or 2 para kay Indiasi. Victoriano. Last 20 seconds. Victoriano. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Victoriano. 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 Pass to Urbano. Urbano. 5 to shoot. Urbano. Urbano. No good. Ano ba ni Indiasi? Last 3 seconds. Pasok ka lang ka rin. Montuplo. Montuplo. Counted. Ay Montuplo. Score natin. 48-33. 15-point lead para sa Santay Hoopers. Okay, back to the ball game na tayo para sa ating third quarter. Lores inbound the ball. Pass to Cañete. Cañete. Ayan na. Cañete. Pass to Flores. Pass to Indiasi. Indiasi. Pass to Cañete. Cañete. 15 to shoot Cañete. Block. Nakakuha ni. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Dadama. Inbound the ball. Pass to Esquil Gasingan. Pass to Asapron. Pass play para kay Burgos. Burgos! Tony pa rin! Goaltending. Dedama. Dedama. Pass to Flores. 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 15 to shoot. Pass to Cañete. Cañete. Nice team. Nakuha pa rin Cañete. Pass to Dedama. 10 to shoot. Dedama. 15-foot line. Is 2 points para kay Dedama. Andrea, Mandalon, pass to Asabron. Pass to Hill. Pass to Andrea. These 2 points. Flores. Flores. Flores, pass to 10 to shoot, pass to Ledama. Ledama looking for his teammate. 10 to shoot, pass to Cañete. Cañete. Pass to Flores. Flores. 5 shoot. Pass to Cañete. Cañete sa 3. No good. Nalipon ni Gasingan. 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 Pass to Hill. Hill. Sa second move. Pass to Mandria. 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 Nakuha ni Balaag. Balaag. Pass to Cañete. Great distribution. Loose ball distribution. Wala na. Villaruela. Asepron pass to Hill. Pass to Burgos. 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 Traveling violation. Flores. 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 Pass to Ledama. 15 to shoot. Ledama. Aliw para kay Manaang. Kay pala. School points. Asebron. Pass to Burgos. Take the shot. Pass to Mandria. Pass to Asebron. Pass to him. Take the shot. Pass to Kasingan. Long three. Fair ball. Bola lang. Sanay Hoopers. Flores yung pass ball. Pass to Maniete. Binalik kay Flores. Maniete. Pass to Ndiasi. Looking for his teammate. Ndiasi pa. Ndiasi. Burgos, personal foul. First team foul. 40 seconds to shoot. Flores about the ball. Pass to Ndiasi. Manderia, first personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots para kay Ndiasi. First shot is good. Second shot para kay Ndiasi. Not good. 1-2. Manderia, rebound. Pass to Asebron, nag-take mo para sa Villaruela. Asebron. There to shoot, pass to Kasingan, floater. No, good pa na niliba ng Ndiasi, pass to Flores, crossover, Flores. These 2 points para kay Flores. Kasingan, pass to Asebron, pass to Mandria, Masaganda, 62 points. Flores, you want the ball. Pass to Cañete, pass to Flores, pass to Cañete, pass to Ndiasi, good to shoot, Ndiasi. Turnover, Sabit. Labas. Victoriano, point ball, pass to Hill. Binalik kay Victoriano, pass to Hill. Pass to Kasingan, 15 to shoot, long 3. No good. Punta para kay Arrigue, easy 2 points. Para kay Arrigue. Flores yung point ball, pass to Cañete lang din mo para sa Sunday Hoopers. Pass to Flores. Pass to Ken. Sa extended move, bali-bali daw move. Ay kunikit para yung nila. Easy 2 points para kay Ken. Arrigue, point ball, pass to Hill. Pass to Victoriano, sa extended move. No move, punta para kay Kasingan, easy 2 points. Cañete, taking the ball, looking for his teammate, Ledama, nandito mo, 10 to shoot, Ledama, pass to Cañete, 10 to shoot, pass to Torres, pass to Ken, 5 to shoot, Labanan bago, pass to Victoriano, pass to Hill, pass to Victoriano, 15 to shoot, Victoriano, pass to Hill, 15 to shoot, pass to Escobedo, open part for 3, no good, Garibaldi, Flores, 3-on-3 situation, Flores pa rin, use the glass, no good, putok para kay Ndiasi pa rin, pass to Ledama, 10 to shoot, pass to miscommunication, Enrique. Pass to Flores. Flores. Pass to Yuban. Pass to Flores. 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 Pass to Ken. Ken. Pam. Ken. Nawala. Steve Escobedo. 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 Wala to situation. Pass to Hill. Pass to Victoriano. Pass to Urbano. 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 Escobedo. Urbano. 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 Pass to Victoriano. Escobedo. Escobedo. Wala to situation. Time to shoot. Pass to Hill. Hill. Susubok sa tres. No good. Urbano. Indiasi. Pass to Yuban. Yuban, easy lang. Yuban, nagtitimuan, pass to Flores, susubok sa tres. No good, dalawa ni Urbano. Urbano, pass to Hill. Yuban, third personal foul, first team foul. Victoriano, pass to Hill. Pass to Anige, 50-foot jumper, no good, dalawa ni Flores. Flores. Flores magkakaroon ng bola. Flores. 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 Isubo siya para Arten. Flores. Victoriano. Victoriano mabawi. Foul. Ledama. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots para kay Victoriano. Pasok yan. First shot is good para kay Victoriano. Second shot para kay Victoriano. Pasok pa rin. 2-2 para kay Victoriano. Kenny 1-1 pass to Yuban. Remain time, 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Ledama, 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 all alone, no good. Outside, bola ng Villaruela. Victoriano pa the ball. Pass to Escobedo. Escobedo, 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 Escobedo. No good. Nalimanin, Flores, Flores, Flores. Walang restoration, Flores, Flores, Flores. Go there, tama. Nalimanin. Gasingan, gasingan, gasingan. Walang restoration, gasingan ang steam. Simon. Time out, Sunday Hoopers. Remaining time, 1 minute and 32 seconds. Score natin, 59-45. 14-point lead para sa Sunday Hoopers. Sunday Hoopers, dalawa na lang time out nyo hanggang 4th quarter. Villaruela, 3 pa. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Kasinga ni Bandol, pass to Victoriano. Pinalik kay Kasinga, 15-foot ang jumper. It's 2 balls para kay Kasinga. Yubal. Nagtindi mo para sa Sunday Hoopers. Yubal. 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 Take the shot, Yubal. Yubal. Take the shoot, Yubal. Pass to Flores. 5 to shoot, Flores. Flores, Flores, Flores. Flores. Kasi nga first personal foul, 13 foul. Pass to Yubal. Yubal, open back for 3. Yubal! 3! At isend yan ng Unibambal. 30 seconds. Pass to Urbano. Urbano. Gets the basket. May kasamang foul. Photo shot para kay Urbano. Pasok yan para kay Urbano. Manangin pa naman pass to Yuman, pass to Flores. Flores. 15 seconds. 10 to shoot. 10 seconds. Yuman. Yuman. 3. At isa niya. Ang pass siya. Pasa na lang rin. Victoriano. Long 3. Victoriano. 3. At isa niya. Ang pandayong Kobe. Score natin, 65-53, 12-point lead para sa Sunday Hoopers. Okay, dito na tayo sa ating last and fourth quarter. Dito natin malalaman kung sino ang mananalo at kung sino ang mananalo. Abante ng 12-point lead ang Sunday Hoopers. Gasingan ni Bondable Basta Victoriano. Gasingan, 50-foot line. Double, naribanin, Victoriano. Pass to Jezebel, dumukod kay Lebanon, Jezebel pa rin ang bola. Jezebel, pass to Victoriano. Then to shoot, pass to Urbano, Lebanon, Jezebel. Dumukod pa rin, naribanin. Ustadet. Flores, first personal foul, first team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Victoriano on the ball. Victoriano, pass to Escobedo. Pass to Gasingan. 10 to shoot, Gasingan. Pass to Escobedo. Long 3. Escobedo. 3. At isa ina ng Pinoy. Flores. Rosario. Flores. Double na rin. Urbano. Pass to Gasingan. Pass to Victoriano. Running violation. Subhit. Yuman on the ball. Remaining time, 8 minutes and 51 seconds para sa ating last and fourth quarter. Pass to Magares, pass to Yuman. Man-to-man defense ng Villaruela. Yuman, pass to Indiasi. 15 to shoot, Indiasi. 2 points para kay Indiasi. Pagpalit on pass to Victoriano. Pass to Escobedo, behind the back, Escobedo, pass to Victoriano, 15 to shoot, Victoriano, pass to Urbano, 10 to shoot, pass to Gasingan, paano na situation, Gasingan, spin move, pull-up jumper, low move, pullback para kay Jezebel. Ang Black Sakuragi ng Barangay 176. Yuman, pass to Montiplor. 15 to shoot, pass to Indiasi. Pass to Montiplor. 10 to shoot, Montiplor. Pass to Magares. 5 to shoot, pass to Montiplor. Susubok sa 3. Good. Pass, naliman Indiasi. Pass to Magares. Susubok sa 3. Logo naliman Indiasi. Jezebel, first personal foul, first team foul. Sublet. 2 shots para kay Indiasi. Para lang po, teams, lahat po ng sasapat na tayo, maglapit lang po dito sa community table. Salamat po. Indiasi. Hit. Pasok pa ng mga bola ng Indiasi, pass to Yuman ang isuko points para kay Vincent Yumal. Gasingan, one more pass to Jezabel. Bumalik kay Gasingan. Gasingan, crossover, Gasingan, 15-foot line jumper, is 2 points para kay Lex Gasingan. Pag-aalis ng mga double pass to Yumal. Remaining time, 7 minutes exactly. 15 to shoot, Yumal. 10 to shoot, pass to Multiplor, pass to Ndiasi. 5 to shoot, Ndiasi. No good. Naribalik. Wala ng Villaruela. Jezabel Manuel pass to Hill. Hill pass to Gasingan, man Diaz para kay Yumal. Gasingan, 15-foot line jumper. No good pa rin, naribalik. Hill, pass to Gasingan. No good pa rin, naribalik. Urbano, is 2 points para kay Urbano. Panao, rebound the ball. Pass to Yumal. Pass to Manao. 15 to shoot. Pass to Ndiasi. Is 2 points. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 48 seconds. Pass natin last and fourth quarter. Hill. Pass to Jezabel. Pass to Gasingan. 15-foot line jumper. Is 2 points para kay Lex Gasingan. Magares. Pass to Yumal. Yumal. Nice steal. Multiplor, first personal foul, second team foul. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Sabi score natin. 73-64, 9-3 para sa ating Hoopers. Escobedo yung mga double pass to Hill, pass to Gasingan. Nice steal ni Flores. 3-on-3 situation Flores. Pass to Lidama, is Nagasi, 2 points para kay Lidama. Escobedo. Offensive foul. Escobedo, first personal foul. Second team foul. Ledama. Offensive foul. Jersey number 16, running for a second to a ball. 10 first personal foul, 13 foul. Hill. Pass to Jezabel. 15 to shoot. Pass to Gasingan. Fade away shot, Gasingan. It's 2 points para kay Lex Gasingan. Wala. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 18 seconds. Flores, nandito, pass to Lidama, pass to Ndiasi. Pass to Multiplor. Take the shoot, Multiplor, pass to Multiplor. Kulang kapal, Tabun, Hill. Lidama, third personal foul, warning for penalty. Kasi ang ibang the ball, pass to Hill. Man-to-man defense para sa Sunday Hoopers. Hill. Foul. Penalty. Flores. Second personal foul, penalty. 2 shots para kay Hill. First shot is not good. Second shot para kay Hill. Pasok na yan. 1 out of 2 para kay Hill. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 48 seconds. Score natin 75, 67, 8.3 para sa Sunday Hoopers. Flores. 15 to shoot. Pass to Ledama. 10 to shoot. Pass to Iglesias. Pass to Ledama. Bali. Score na yan. Para kay Ledama. Nasibigay pa rin ang pass to Gasingan. Man defense para kay Ledama. Gasingan. Foul. Jersey number 24, Ledama, 4 personal foul, penalty. Jersey number 24, Ledama, 4 personal foul, penalty. First shot is not good. Second shot, para kay Lex Gasingan. Pasok na yan, 1 out of 2, para kay Lex. Kaya ipawan na ball pass to Flores. Flores. 15 to shoot, pass to Indiasi. Pass to Ken. Kasi kung kami din sabihin, nawanin. Simple. 9 seconds to shoot. Ledama on the ball. Pass to Indiasi. Two points para kay Indiasi. Hill. 15 to shoot. Pass to Gasingan. Doktung. Gasingan, 2 points. Kanya yung pag-ball pass to Flores. Pass to Indiasi. 15 to shoot. Indiasi. 10 to shoot. Ken. This is the last now. Good everybody. Ken, pass Indiasi. 10 to shoot. This is the last 2 minutes. Lupa naman pass to Escobedo. Ken, second personal foul, penalty. Remaining time, 1 minute and 55 seconds. Score natin 80-70. 10.3 para sa Sunday Hoopers. First shot is good. Second shot para Escobedo. Not good. 1 out of 2 para kay Escobedo. Flores. 15 to shoot. Flores up. Villanueva. Remaining time 1 minute and 40 seconds. Score natin 82-71. 11 point lead para sa Sunday Hoopers. Both teams pero ball game tayo. Victoriano, inbound ball. Yes, okay, pass to Victoriano. 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 Pass to Jezebel. Victoriano shoot. Pass to Escobedo. Escobedo sa tres. Go, go, Aribani. Aribani. Arigi. Justin, Aribani. Arigi pa rin. Simple. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Victoriano, pass to Kasingan, 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 time to shoot, Kasingan, Kasingan, side step move, easy to pass para kay Kasingan. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Kanyete, 15 to shoot, Kanyete, Kanyete, 10 to shoot, pass to Flores. Five to shoot. Victoriano, third personal foul, 13 foul. Kanyete. Indiasi. 10 to shoot. Pass to Ken, Tapal. Tapal Victoriano. Victoriano. Fifth personal foul. Last 42 seconds. Penalty. Two shots para kay Victoriano. First shot is good. Second shot para kay Victoriano. Pasok yan, 2-2 para kay Victoriano. Lawrence on the ball. Last 42 seconds. Lawrence on the ball, pass to Kanyete. Kanyete. Kasilan, second personal foul. One for penalty. Both teams are in penalty. Lawrence. 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 15 to shoot. Lawrence. Lawrence. 10 to shoot. Nice shooting, Jezebel. Bautista sa personal foul penalty. Remaining time, last 21 seconds. Score natin 82-75. 7.8 para sa Sunday Hoopers. First shot para kay Jezebel. First shot is good. Second shot. Pasok yan. Indiasi, front ball. Indiasi.